So this video will show you how to make a page inside Open Badge Passport. You click on the Pages tab. There's a collection of the pages I already have. I'm going to create a new one. And this is the form that I have. The first thing I do is I give the page a title. And then I will give it a summary. And then I could have any one of these blocks on the page. So the heading, subheading, text editor, etc. I'm going to do a very simple page. I'm going to add a few badges to it and also show you how to select a file, but then I'll delete it. So if I click on badge, I will add this one. I'll add another item, which will be a badge, which will be the next in the Badge Alliance ones. I'll add another item. Again, that will be a badge. It'd be nice if badge were the default. And I'll click on this one. One thing to bear in mind is this particular badge I've not made public over in the badge collection, but I'll show you how it can be made public on a page even though it's a private badge. So add another item, and I'm just going to show you how you can add a file. In this case, it's a file I've already got in my file area in Open Badge Passport, and it's my CV. Just double click on that. That's in there, and let's save that and see what we've got. So what we have using the default theme is a list of 3 badges. Oh, I wanted to add another badge. Hang on. Let's go back to contents. I'm going to add one more badge at the bottom. This will show you how another thing as well. So I'm going to make that a badge. We're going to go looking for this badge, which is this one. And I want this to be at the not quite the bottom, but so the file is on the bottom. Okay, and so we will save that. And now I have a collection of 4 badges and an attachment at the bottom. I'll just go back and get rid of the file attachment because that's not what this page is about. So click on X. So now it's just the badges. We'll resave that. And now we can move on to the next phase, which is deciding on the theme. So these themes, you'll see when I change a few what happens. It'll change the text and the borders of the page. The one I really like is this one. So the art theme. This is something that I would hope in the future there could be some user input into. So be able to make your own theme and use as a template. So we'll save that as the art theme. In the settings, we can make it, as you see, private, password protected, visible to registered users, and I'm going to make mine public. There's a link right away that I get. I'll click Save. Let me just show you how it looks in another browser where I'm not logged in. Okay, so I've pasted this into a new browser, and this now is what my page would look like to another person. So you see the page title, the note about the page, it's got my name associated with it, and here are the badges, and the criteria pages are available. If there were evidence pages, as there is here, those are also available. So there you go. Just go back to the other one here. I can share this on social media, and what I may do right now is I'll tweet it. And this is how it will tweet. Open Badge Passport. So that looks good. It's got the hashtag Open Badge Passport. The only thing I'll do is I'll add one, which is Open Badges. That'll pick up some people who haven't heard yet about Open Badge Passport. So I'll tweet that, that's gone. The other thing I'll do is share it via LinkedIn. And I was showing in another video how to do this on the badge level. But in this case, I'm going to share the page. I could tweet that also. I could save myself a little bit of work. But in this case, I'm just going to say this is a page so that one's gone. So what I've done is I've created a page inside Open Badge Passport, essentially a micro portfolio. I've decided which badges I want to share on that page. I've decided what other information I want on the page. In this case, not very much, but it could include files or even text boxes, which I didn't show you. I've saved the page. I can share the page via direct link, and I've shown you how you can also share it over social media.